How to use voice changer in Roblox. So this is a quick tutorial in order for us to use a voice changer on Roblox. Here in Google, I want you to go ahead and download an application called Clownfish. I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go ahead and look for Clownfish voice changer. Go ahead and click this one right here. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click the download button here. I'm just going to close the ad, and then I'm going to scroll down. There are different versions here, so choose the one which fits for you the best. In my case, I'm going to choose this one, and then click the save button. So when you are seeing something like this, you can just go ahead and click this one here in order for you to begin the installation process. And say for example, you're done installing it, I want you to go ahead and click your Windows, and here go ahead and look for Clownfish. So this is the app itself, and then you should see it here down below. You can go ahead and right click it and then click set voice changer. So there are different options for the voices that you can use here. For example, we have the helium pitch, which is a default. Now you can just go ahead and select, say for example, baby pitch, and then if you're going to go ahead and right click this same icon or the clownfish icon, there is an option for us to turn it on. So I'm going to do this for you guys.
There you go. So this is the baby pitch, and as you can see, we are now using a voice changer. There are different voice changers that you can use here. So I want you to go ahead and choose the one which you think fits perfectly for you. Say for example, I'm going to use this helium pitch right now. I can just go ahead and open Roblox. And here in Roblox, I'm just going to go ahead and try to open an experience or a game. Say for example, please donate. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And yes, from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one here. As you can see, it is now working. So basically, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.